Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox the July fab bag. So it is 2nd of July and I got my bag today and I sat down to record a video for you. The July fab bag looks like this. This is a pretty bluish green kind of a color. I really love the texture of this bag. So it is easily washable. I think the material is washable and it has a zip as usual. Very small bag and very travel friendly, so you can carry your everyday makeup essentials in this bag to put in your handbag and you are sorted. As I opened the cardboard box the bag came in, I found this the anti-darkening hair removal cream by Fem. It's a gold hair removal cream for all skin types, and this is a 30-gram pack and it's priced at rupees 58. So this is not a full size product, this is a sample size product and it's priced at rupees 58. So this is the first thing that I got in my bag. Now let me open my bag and see what else I got inside this bag. So as I open it up, I can first see this. This is APS Cosmetofood. I don't know what this is, but yeah, so this is a whitening and brightening skin diet. I believe this is a facial kit. Let me see. This is a 7-step facial kit and this says, the card says it is a full size product and it's priced at 250 rupees. So this is quite like a compact thing. So a full size product like this I really love. This says this is a whitening and brightening skin diet. As you know, I don't believe in skin whitening. I don't really like the idea of skin whitening, but it also says that it brightens up the skin, which is really great. I'm always game for brightening facial kits. I will definitely give it a try and tell you what my thoughts are. And if you want me to do a separate review or demo of this product, do let me know in the comments. I will love to do a video on this. Next I got a hair serum. This is from a brand called, let me check the cards. This is Aaryanveda hair serum. So this is a full size product and it's priced at rupees 90. So I was badly in need of a hair serum. My Matrix hair serum is finished and expired. I was planning to buy another hair serum and this came in, so I would really love to give it a try. Next I received this cleansing charcoal nose strip from a brand called Hip Hop. This is a painless and instant removal of blackheads, whiteheads, oil and dirt. So this says that this is just a sample, like one product inside this. This one strip costs you rupees 30. Definitely going to use this. Next product is this face wash from Ozori, Africa. So I have never heard about this brand. If you have, then let me know in the comments. This is the first time I will be using something from this brand. This is a face wash enriched with vitamin E oil and volcanic minerals, and the smell is very refreshing, guys. This is a 100 ml product and it comes for 99 rupees. So this is a full size product again. Like every month I got to choose this month's makeup product. They gave an option to choose from MyGlamm, the 2-in-1 matte lipsticks and lip liner, and I chose the shade Cosmopolitan, which is a deep berry shade. Let me see how it looks. And this is the shade. This is a deep plum color, like plum berry color. Oh, this is the color, see. This is a fuchsia color, but in the tube it looks like a wine berry kind of a color. This month's bag we got 6 different products and 4 of them were full size. I am not very satisfied with this month's bag. Also, I'm not very disappointed either. But last month's bag, which was the June fab bag, was the best fab bag I ever received. The products in this month's bag is not as good as the previous month's bag, but the products are really good themselves, if you know what I mean. that was it for this month's fab bag review. If you like this month's fab bag, let me know. If you don't like this month's fab bag, let me know in the comments. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Till then, you guys be happy and smile.